how to add music from computer to iPhone, iPad, or iPod 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add music from computer to iPhone, iPad, or iPod 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here, I have my iTunes open. So what you need to do is to just connect your iPhone in your computer and open iTunes. So trust this device and click on continue right here in order to access your phone on iTunes right here. So as you can see right here, it is accessing my actual phone. So I can see here my iTunes, the songs I loaded, and all of these things right here. So what I need to do is just wait for this to load in order to head over to my phone. So as you can see, it is accessing iTunes Store. So you can see here that there's an update, but you can just not try to update that. So let's click on this right here. You can see there's an icon right here for phone. So click on that in order to sync. And as you can see, here is my phone right here. So on my device, you can see here that there's some music. So just click on that right there, and in here you can see the music that's on my phone. So what you need to do is to just find the music that you want to add in this iTunes. So for me, I will add this right here, this Come Into My Heart. So I can just click on that and then drag that to my music right here. So let's click on that and drag it right here. And as you can see, it will link right there. So let's just wait for it to link. And then after you have drag it in there, it will sync on your iPhone and it will be added to your files. So let's click on link in here again. Now as you can see, this is that Come Inside of My Heart. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music from computer to iPhone, iPad, or iPad 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!